As far as being down, you had the procedure, you're up, and you're about, we'll off you get the work.
Okay, let me show them one more time.
Okay.
Let me show them all my cellulite.
But
One more
she's
time.
not bad, but she wants to fine tune. And even so, even if I look down like this, I can see that. I can see that. So we really need to work this and fine tune this and correct all of this for her, so she'll have a nice, beautiful, smooth body, more beautiful than she already has.
Does cellulite run more in ethnic women?
No. Cellulite,
Or it's just what we eat?
No. Cellulite, you are a woman. You have cellulite, period. That's it. Okay?
Yeah.
That's it. No ethnicity.
There you go, people. There's all my cellulite. That's why I be wearing tights all the time to try to cover that thing up. But Dr. Matlock is going to help me out. He's going to use the Vaser. He's going to pop them things out. And hopefully I will be able to wear shorts and feel comfortable in shorts.
I'm going to get you in shorts.
He's going to get me in shorts. Yay!
I promise you're going to be in shorts.
I'm so excited. I'm super, super excited.
All right.
Thank you so much, Dr.
You're
Matlock.
welcome. My pleasure.
Okay, so I go in for surgery on January 17th, so I'll go live that morning. And my surgery is 7.5 hours, I think, because I'm getting a breast reduction as well. Dr. Fisher's going to do my breast reduction. And, yeah, so.
And Dr. Fisher and I work together all the time. That's my boy, Dr. Fisher. He's the guy. He's the man. We were tight like this, and we work together all the time. We make everybody wonderful and beautiful throughout. If you saw our clientele, your lips would drop, your mouth would drop. But just like Amber.
And so if you want to get your boobs done and your butt done or your cellulite done or whatever you need done, you specialize in vaginal rejuvenation.
So here's the things that I do. The things that I do are what I developed and pioneered. Laser vaginal rejuvenation for enhancement of sexual gratification. Designer laser vaginoplasty for aesthetic enhancement of the vulvar structures. Liposculpting, Brazilian butt augmentation, and Vaser high def where I sculpt out the muscular structures of the body, the abs, the biceps, the triceps, biceps, pecs, abs, lats, everything, all of that in our advanced surgical bodybuilding, okay? And then also some people come in, they want butts reduced and so forth and everything, but the big thing is augmenting. That's what I'm known for. Okay?
Yeah, so it's not just for women. So if you're a guy and you want to, you work out your abs, it's not quite as pronounced as you want them to be. Here's a little, I mean? He does that. Dr. Matlock can make your fucking abs look like that. If you want your abs to go from that to that, call my man. Call my man right here. All right. Awesome, Matt. I love you. You're so awesome. I'll see you on January 17th.
Very good.
Okay.
Take care.
Awesome.
All right.
I'm going to talk to my fans real quick.
Okay.
So, yeah, that was it, you guys. So, let me see when you guys are writing so I can talk to you guys. You need... Okay, yeah, send me. Okay, yep. Do not get a breast reduction. I'm getting a breast reduction. Okay. Yeah, I'm still it's like I'm looking for questions or like. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, my phone's gonna die. Oh, okay, where is he located? So he is right in West Hollywood. If you just Google Dr. Matlock West Hollywood, he'll come right up. Also, Dr. Garth Fisher, he's the one that's gonna do my boobs. On Wednesday, I'm gonna have two doctors work on me at the same time. And I'm super excited. I'm so happy that I get to share my story with all my fans. And I know that there's a lot of girls out there that have cellulite, just like me. And I want to let you know that there is a solution. There is a doctor out here that's willing to take his time and go through every little piece of cellulite and poke it out and put the Vaser on top, make the skin super tight, and, especially for us women that are getting a little older. I'm 34 years old. I have a son, and, if anybody knows what it's like, to have kids, your body just stretches out super, super fast, and then you have to, work out, and, some genetics are better than others, but I'm super excited to get my cellulite kind of gone. So let me see what you guys are saying. How long is it gonna take to heal? Well, yeah, you need me there? We're gonna do before and after. Okay, cool. So it's gonna take me for my breast and the cellulite, maybe a week, but I'm also getting a breast reduction at the same time, so I'll kind of be down for a little bit. And my sweetheart 21 Savage is coming out here to take care of me after my surgery. Let me see. How much is the procedure for cellulite? I don't know. You know what? Go ask them. I'm gonna go ask them. I'm gonna ask Rosaldo. Hey guys. Yes? So online they're asking me how much is it for the cellulite? Is it does it depend on the person?
Yeah, it depends. It really truly depends on the areas, the amount of areas, how severe it is.
Right.
It's just for you, give them free consult. For you,
we're doing something special for her already.
For her people who are free consult.
He said for the people that are watching,
If they mention your name, it'll be a free consult.
Okay, if you call up here and you mention my name, you will get a free consultation.
It's $200 a consultation.
It's $200 for a consultation from me because he's the shit.
Yeah.
But
You have to mention your name.
you have to mention my name. You get a free consultation for cellulite, and it really just depends on how much cellulite you have, how much you want to get done and stuff like that. So it's not just a regular. It's not just a set price for cellulite because some people have more cellulite than others. But if you mention my name, you will get a free consultation. And and then he'll look over your cellulite and let you know. And he does vaginal rejuvenation. He does Brazilian body makeovers. For the guys, he can do your abs, body, muscles, implant, anything that you need, he can do it. And like I said before, I'm really excited to share my story with you guys. And I know there's a lot of girls out there like me that are oh my god, I wish I didn't have all this fucking cellulite. Can you just get rid of it? And it just gets to a point where you've tried everything, all the creams, all the little vacuum things, when you go to the spa, all that bullshit, it doesn't fucking work. I've tried it all, it doesn't work. I got cellulite, I'm ready to get rid of it, and that's why I'm at Dr. Matlock's office right now. So call Dr. Matlock, West Hollywood, tell him that Amber Rose sent you, and you get a free consultation. I love